Williams is a plumbing and heating contractor here in the Gallatin Valley in Bozeman, Montana. We primarily do commercial plumbing and heating projects. We use Aquatherm for domestic potable water, mechanical hydronic heating, chilled, and condenser systems. We use Aquatherm for the efficiencies of the labor savings and the ease of installation.
So we're at a major retailer in Bozeman, Montana. They're using their system as a heat recovery system off of their coolers to heat the building. So it's a heat recovery system that integrates with heating and cooling, and we're using Aquatherm to do it.
One of the key benefits of Aquatherm for us is the ability to make longer prefabricated spools. Our only limitations are the transportation to the project.
We just moved into our new fab shop. We fabricate the spools, and we go and we fabricate them anywhere from 19 feet all the way up to 42 feet, and that gets out into the field where they can go and they erect it much faster.
We're using sizes from 1 inch up to 8 inch, and we're also using the UV coated pipe up on the roof for some fluid coolers as chilling for the building.
One of the surprises we had with Aquatherm is how fast our prefabricated spools go in the field. You know, when we can make them 40, 50-foot chunks, that goes in super fast.
The nice part about Aquatherm on this project is everything was required to be up in the joist space. So we were actually able to get 40-foot lengths of pipe up into the joists, whereas if we were using steel, we'd be stuck to the 12 feet because the joists are only 6 feet apart.
Aquatherm provides a great Revit family library for us in the BIM world to allow us to model the systems efficiently. It's a lighter product that allows us to handle the material easier, and its flexibility gives us the ability to get into tighter spaces easier than, let's say, like a copper or steel piping system.
So one of the cool things about this project is the roof slopes in a lot of different directions. So the pipe actually flexes to the pitch of the roof, so we don't have to use a lot of fittings.
A couple of us here at Williams Plumbing have gone to Utah to do the Train the Trainer program, which has been a huge benefit to us here to be able to train our own staff. And we have approximately 75 certified Aquatherm installers.
It's an easy product to use. It's not much different than putting in steel pipe. Between the measuring and the takeoffs, really the same process. I've been working with Aquatherm for about 6 years now. I do feel that Aquatherm is a good product. I'm all for putting in Aquatherm in any building I put plumbing in.
It's very fast, very efficient, and it's enjoyable to work with.